Upon receipt of the machine, place the machine in the preset position. Remove the 4 wooden feet underneath the machine. After removing the wooden feet and placing the machine in place, you need to use expansion screws to fix the machine to the ground. It is recommended to use a concrete structure for the floor, which will be fixed by the expansion screws. The front of the machine is fixed with expansion screws and the panels need to be removed first. Remove the surface buckle, screw off the inside screws, open the front cover. It is recommended to use expansion screws with a diameter of 16 毫米, length of 15到20厘米 for reference, and fix the expansion screws below the ground. If you have extra expansion screws, you can also use expansion screws in the 2 holes in the middle to increase the firmness of the machine. Procedures for connecting water and electricity to the machine. Upper drying and lower washing machines need to be connected to the places of electricity, one place to control the drying and the other place to control the water washing. The washing machine is connected to the electricity in this place. Use tools to open the distribution box. The difference between 280 V and 380 V voltage power connection. If it is 280 V voltage circuit breaker, only need to connect the zero fire wire to the upper end of the air circuit breaker. Connect the earth wire to the following position. If the circuit breaker is 380 V, 380 V is 4万 amperes. Connect the zero wire to the terminal marked N, then connect the remaining 3 wires to the remaining terminals. Connect the earth wire to the same position. 280 V contains a frequency converter used to control the motor. The frequency converter in this position. Dryer connection. Open the dryer connection box with a tool. If it is 280 V, RP circuit breaker and water washing the same way to connect the power connected to the upper end of the switch. If it is 380 V, to the zero line to the terminal marked as N, the remaining 3 wires connected in turn. When the machine is connected to the ground, the drying does not need to connect the earth wire. Steps to connect the machine to water. The water connection of the washing machine is divided into cold water and hot water interface. The diameter of the machine's water inlet is 20 毫米, replaced by the corresponding PPR pipe is 25 毫米, water inlet. It is recommended to use PPR pipe metal hose. This place is connected to the soap. The internal installation of the soap valve. Just open the strap will be to hoses were inserted into the corresponding liquid. Soap must be liquid. The water outlet drain of the washing machine is 75 毫米 in diameter. You can use PVC pipe directly or transition with a whole steel wire hose or rubber type hose in order to connect PVC, the other hard pipe. Dryer vent installation. It is recommended that the installation should not have too many elbows or too long a distance, which will affect the dryer exhaust effect. Regular cleaning of duct lint, etc. If the air vent is installed with too many distances, it is recommended that the customer installs a secondary exhaust in the middle or the end of the exhaust pipe. This position on the front of the machine allows you to add soap to the wash, and the soap can flow through here into the dryer. Requires regular cleaning of the lint trap, especially the filter, during routine maintenance. If the filter mesh is clogged, it will affect the exhaust air effect. Special attention. If the dryer is 380 V voltage, you need to observe this place. There is a fan on the inside. Check whether the impeller of the fan turns to the left or to the right. The correct direction of rotation is counterclockwise, to the left. If the direction of rotation of the impeller is not to the left, we need to adjust the 2 wires in the dryer distribution box until the direction of rotation of the fan is to the left during the test run.